How to do a vertical live stream with Meld Studio. Hey everyone, I'm Gil Hermit from JMV Technology, and today I'll show you how to live stream vertically using Meld Studio. Many live streams use this format now, as it's ideal for mobile viewing, allowing users to watch with their phones upright, like on Instagram. We're creating new Meld Studio tutorials, a recently launched encoder. Our latest tutorial is linked in the card and description. The description also has a link to our e-learning platform with free courses on live streaming, creating online courses, and more. In Meld Studio, go to File, then Preferences. This is where we set the live stream format. In Canvas, choose one of the portrait options for vertical. In front of each, we have quality. I'll use Full HD, which is 1080p. Frame rate at 30, bitrate at 4000, compatible with Full HD. For audio, we can set it to 160. Let's add an output option for the live stream. I'll choose Custom for RTMP, RTMPS link, and key input. Now I'll enter the URL and key. Great, our setup is complete. The vertical format appears in Meld Studio. Now let's add the media. Remember, you can add camera, video, etc. here. Adjust horizontal videos to fit as desired. Vertical videos will show all content. After this, just start streaming. For plans, check description. So that's it. Like, subscribe, and follow us on social media.